Hello, welcome to the next video in the Traffic Stop YouTube channel series on free traffic. And today there's a brand new site that actually just launched today, and it's called Traffic Odyssey. I'm going to show you how to use Traffic Odyssey to get guaranteed cash by combining Odyssey with the LeadsLeap cash co-op. But when you do it this way, see, most of the time when you promote the LeadsLeap co-op, you just earn cash. Okay, but here you're going to earn cash, but at the same time you're going to earn traffic credits. So you're going to earn credits to get traffic while earning cash from the LeadsLeap co-op all at the same time with just a single page. You just have to know how to do it, and that's the purpose of this video, to show you how. So first thing you want to do, link is in the description, Traffic Odyssey. Go ahead and sign up. Here's the sign up link. You can look in the description though. Once you get there, see, this just started today. I got my first referral. But as you see, this is 5 levels, so you can earn extra. You can have a whole network of people and then earn extra traffic credits from the people down through 5 levels. But when you, even as a free member, when you show one of your pages, and here's the exit pop-up ads. This is where you set up a page. Even if you have just the one active ad as a free member, you earn 1 credit per pop-up shown. So every time you show a page, you're going to earn a traffic credit. Now let me show you what it looks like. But first, this is where you set it up. So if you're going to use the LeadsLeap Co-op like I'm showing you today, you could use something else. Then you're going to use this, but it's going to be your username on the end of it. So here's my LeadsLeap, and here's the Traffic Co-op earnings. It's called the Co-op earnings page, and you'll get your co-op link right here. See that? It's right there on the co-op earnings page. But what you do is you take this and you put it over here in Traffic Odyssey as the target URL. And then you click Update Tracker. The first time it might not say update, it might say create tracker or something like that. But yeah, test the page. Now let's see what it looks like. I click test page. iframe compatibility test. Can you see your page below? Yes. We can see it. Check referral tracking. You want to be the referrer. But this is my LeadsLeap Co-op page. But the only thing is, on this particular one, I'm not sure that I can test this with this particular method. But what I'll do is I'll show you that once you save it, see, you get this. Now, it'll say .com/x/some number, and this is the one you're going to promote. So let's copy it, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Now put your cursor in the middle of the page to start, because this is an exit pop-up. And when you go to leave the page, you'll see it pop up, and you'll see some ads. And you earn one of these ads every time you show one of these pages. So here's my Traffic Odyssey page. Now when I go to leave, see what happened? It popped up the exit cred, exit pop-up ads. So here's three ads. And you earn one of these ads every time you show a page. Now it said where to check. This is my sign up link, yes. So this is my affiliate link here, so it works. So one of these will be, you earn 1 credit, but you also have 5 levels of referrals. Now I can just close it. It won't do it again. For that one time at least, it won't do it again. It might do it again, but it'll be after you re-enter the page or something. Yeah, I don't know how much time in between exactly, but you can see that's how it works. Now, once you set up your tracker, you'll get... Now, where do you put your exit pop-up link? Which again is this. Where do you put it? I put it on traffic exchanges, for example. One of them would be Viral Hits Blitz, viralhitsblitz.com. So this is working. And I've been getting a lot of hits here. And it works pretty well for the LeadsLeap Co-op because it's 10 seconds. You see the countdown? It's 10 seconds. So a decent percentage of these are counting. So what happens, just click next. And then what happens is, it's like a 1-for-1 basically, I believe. So you view one page and you can get one page. Why is that good? Because you don't have to click as much because you're getting one view for every page. So each time you show this right here in a site like Viral Hits Blitz, which is, here's the surf. See, see how I added it right here? And then I add and start surfing. So I add and start surfing, and that's when this surf page came up, and then I click next. It goes to 10 seconds again. So I will earn traffic credits in Traffic Odyssey, plus LeadsLeap Co-op cash credits at the same time with a single page. And that's how this works today. So sign up under me. And I will make sure you get at least 1,000 credits. Okay, that's all for now. See you in the next video.